What's up guys, let's check out these Jordan 14 Lows CLOT collab. The box quality is crazy with this one. No extra accessories, but this card is pretty dope. The quality on these is crazy. We got the buttery suede on the toe box, that interesting leather pattern on the side panels, the terracotta paint midsole, and I can't forget the Chinese coin on the back tab. Puts everything together perfectly. Not again. Not the most comfortable shoe, but definitely wearable.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Let's see what fits I can get with this one. Definitely going for a more athleisure look here. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Check the description below for all the pieces of the fit, and don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.